Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of kitchen faucets that just don't cut it? Look no further than the Pfister Talega kitchen sink faucet, a powerful and top-rated game changer in the world of touch-on kitchen sink faucets. With its king-size design, this faucet is sure to make a statement in your kitchen. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The advanced spray head docking system is a standout feature, using powerful magnetic docking to keep your spray head firmly secured, and the auto-align feature ensures it aligns correctly all on its own, giving you a satisfying click as it falls into place. The high arc spout provides added clearance and reach, and the 360-degree rotating spout swivels to allow for greater versatility, making it easy to wash delicate items or clean the sink with a gentle whoosh of water. The pull-down sprayer features a HydroBlade high-pressure water blade that uses concentrated force to clean away tough messes, and the Wipe Clean nozzles let you wipe away mineral deposits with the swipe of a finger, leaving your faucet feeling smooth and clean. Whether you're a busy homeowner or an avid chef, this faucet is sure to make your life easier, and with its NSF certification, you can trust that it meets the highest standards for lead-free plumbing. So why settle for a subpar faucet when you can have the best? Upgrade to the Pfister Talega kitchen sink faucet today and experience the difference for yourself. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.